The EMAX Tinyhawk 2 RTF Racing Drone is a high-quality, beginner-friendly drone that comes with its own goggles and controller, making it an all-inclusive kit for those new to drone racing. Weighing just 43.5 grams with a 450 mAh 1S battery and having a wheelbase of 75 millimeters, this drone is incredibly light and compact, perfect for both indoor and outdoor flights. Equipped with a powerful 16,000 kilovolts motor and a 4-in-1 5/8 Bell Helios ESC, the Tinyhawk 2 is capable of impressive speeds and smooth handling. The drone features a RunCam Nano 2 700 TVL CMOS camera and a 25-100-200 mW switchable VTX power, ensuring clear video transmission for FPV racing. The drone comes with a 1S 450 mAh battery and a 2S 300 mAh battery, providing the flexibility to adjust power and flight times. With its 200 mW VTX and FRSKY receiver, this drone offers excellent range and reception, making it a reliable choice for FPV racing.